Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll tell you if this keyboard is hot swappable. Since this keyboard is mechanical, it also has mechanical switches. In the original package you can find this tool, thanks to which we can quickly remove keys. But there are also additional tools like this, thanks to which you can remove the switch itself. This keyboard supports 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switch. To remove the switch, you have to place this tool from top over the switch, like this, press it and pull it upwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.